If you've ever spent hours doing a repetitive task that could have been automated, Make.com was built to solve that. It connects your apps and automates workflows between them without writing a single line of code. In this review, I'll show you exactly what it does, what the free plan actually includes, and whether it's worth paying for. Make.com is a visual automation platform. You build what they call scenarios, automated workflows that connect your apps and move data between them automatically. For example, when a new lead fills out a form on your website, Make can automatically add them to your CRM, send a welcome email, create a task in your project management tool, and notify your team on Slack. All without you touching anything. It connects to over 3,000 apps, including Google Workspace, Shopify, HighLevel, System.io, Notion, Airtable, and hundreds more. If you use multiple tools in your business, Make is the glue that holds them together. Let's talk about the free plan, because this is where most people start. Make's free plan gives you 1,000 credits per month. Each action in a scenario uses 1 credit. So connecting a form to an email and a CRM would use 2 credits per submission. For a small operation, 1,000 credits goes a long way. You also get access to all 3,000 plus app integrations, the full visual workflow builder, and up to 2 active scenarios. The only real limitation is the 15-minute minimum interval between automated runs, meaning it won't trigger in real time, but every 15 minutes. No credit card required to get started. No time limit on the free plan. It's a genuine free tier, not a trial. If you need more, paid plans start at $9 a month for the core plan, which removes the scenario limit and drops the run interval down to 1 minute. The Pro plan is $16 a month and adds priority execution and advanced logging. Teams is $29 a month. All paid plans still give you access to the same 3,000 plus integrations. You're paying for more credits, more scenarios, and faster execution, not for access to more apps. Make.com makes the most sense if you're already using multiple tools and spending time on repetitive manual tasks. If you're copy-pasting data between apps, manually following up on form submissions, or doing the same sequence of steps every time a new customer comes in, Make automates all of that. It's particularly useful for entrepreneurs and small business owners who run lean operations. You don't need a developer. The visual builder is genuinely beginner-friendly once you understand how scenarios work. Where it's less useful, if you're just getting started and only using 1 or 2 tools. The free plan may be more than enough for now. Scale into it as your stack grows. Quick pros and cons. On the plus side, the visual builder is intuitive. The app library is extensive. The free plan is genuinely useful, and the pricing is affordable compared to alternatives like Zapier. On the downside, the credit system takes some getting used to. Complex scenarios can eat through credits faster than expected, and the 15-minute delay on the free plan won't work if you need real-time automation. Overall, it's a strong tool for the price, especially at the free and core tiers. Make's free plan requires no credit card and has no time limit. You can start building your first automation today. Link is in the description. I've also put a full breakdown on the WealthForge tools site with pricing details and use case comparisons. That link is below too. And if you're evaluating other tools for your business, I've done full reviews of HighLevel and System.io. Links to those are in the description as well. If you found this useful, the full review is at WealthForge Tools. Link in the description. See you in the next one.